My name is Jose Vela. I'm Director of Pricing at Spandex. Prior to that position, I was General Manager running the operation here in Spain and Portugal. We are proud to say that Spandex is one of the largest trading suppliers in our industry. We are serving 40,000 customers, which are mainly sign makers, digital printers, textile printers, and also in the sign industry. Prior to engage with Zilliant, pricing and customer insights, it was not a full comprehensive approach in all our countries. There were some isolated projects here and there, but they were mainly one-man show that was extracting data, doing all stuff manually, and yeah, we were having some specific success, but not across the country, not across all countries.
My name is Thomas Delois, and I'm Director in the Business Solutions Group at Zilliant.
Managing pricing in our industry is a challenge because it's a really demanding industry. We've got a lot of competitors, and I would also say that we've got, I would characterize a street price mentality with a little bit of cost plus mentality in our sales team that definitely make that our pricing is a challenge to us. We see as a challenge for our salespeople the broad portfolio that we've got. So imagine that you are in front of a customer and you have to discuss and ultimately offer a product. We are talking about a portfolio of more than 30,000 SKUs. So it's not easy for our salespeople being able to offer the right price for each customer and also have in mind all the cross-selling opportunities and upselling opportunities that we are able to offer and suggest to our customers thanks to our really wide portfolio.
It was also difficult for the management team to predict what the impact on the revenue and the margin would be because it's so fragmented across the countries, customers and product.
Most important factors that we were considering in order to make a decision regarding which would be the right partner for this project were mainly a consolidated partner. We didn't want a new guy in the arena. We wanted someone that has a proven track record in successfully implementing these kind of projects. Also in B2B environments, in B2B companies, because we realized really soon that solutions that were working perfectly well for a B2C environment, they just didn't work for us. And also it was important that the solution that this partner could offer to us were able to achieve the whole scope in terms of pricing and customer insights that we were looking for. And we were really surprised how fast Zilliant was able to understand our business, meet our requirements, and offer us a solution that was working, I wouldn't say from day one, but it was really easy to tweak and adjust. And yeah, Zilliant, the whole team, they were really supportive and they were really helping us through the whole decision process in order to make sure that we had all the information that we had in order to make the right decision. We have chosen almost the full package from Zilliant.
Price IQ and Price Manager help companies set prices in a fair way in complex environments. Deal Manager is actually an execution tool for sales reps to be able to quote in any situation, anywhere, even on a mobile app. Sales IQ helps sales reps to make sure they optimize their time and spend the time where they need to, and therefore pitch the right product to the right customer at the right time.
There are several goals that we would like to achieve for this project. First of all, we would like to offer our salespeople top-class insights in order to make the job easy. So we don't want them to waste time analyzing data. We prefer them to spend their time, their valuable time, they are a really important resource and asset for us, by offering advice to our customers, not analyzing data. So for us, this is one of our main goals. Another goal is that, I think that getting pricing consistency is important in our business. We want to make sure that each customer has the right price for the right reasons, and this is important to us.
When you operate in a multi-country situation, you may have very different go-to-market from one country to the next. And therefore, whatever pricing strategy and whatever pricing project you want to implement, you need to respect that. You're not expecting your market to adapt to what you're doing. You need to adapt to what the market is doing. And that's exactly how we work with our customers at Zilliant.
We've got several challenges. We are producing millions of records each year. So crunching all this data is difficult. Also, it's important that once you are able to crunch this data and produce meaningful insights, how you are able to deliver those insights to the salespeople in order to make sure that they are actionable, that they are useful. And I think that by using Zilliant solution, those two goals will be achieved.
Spandex leadership team took the sales rep viewpoint. What do they need? What do they want to do on a daily basis? And therefore, they naturally went to Zilliant, leveraging all facets of what we offer to make sure that they could make the best usage of their time on a daily basis. Which customer to call, what product to pitch, and what a fair price for this customer.
You need to provide good insights, but also you have to make sure that they are followed. That's why it's important to measure adoption. And what we learned during our pilot phase is that it's key buying in from the local management. It's important that country managers and sales managers understand the solution and the benefit to their business. How is this going to help them in order to achieve their own local goals? That's really important.
In complex pricing projects, it's always critical to make sure that you involve salespeople and local teams from day one in everything you plan to do. Spandex did just that. They involved the fields from day one and make sure that they co-worked and co-built the solution together.
Zilliant capability will help us to offer a more systematized way to improve our pricing consistency and also to offer better solutions to our customers by providing our salespeople better insights. I would like to share with you a few tips we have learned through our journey. This would be a business project that has to be led by business people. That's really fundamental. Second, easy is better than sophisticated. Zilliant is able to provide a lot of fancy capabilities that if you are ready for them, great, go for them. But at the beginning, if your pricing capability is not really high or well developed in your organization, I think easier is better. Let the tools in the background to provide the sophistication in terms of crunching the data and provide meaningful insights and making them actionable to be the sophistication in this project, okay? Last but not least, make sure that you've got allies for this project, because in order to make sure that this project is successful, you need the buy-in of your leaders, of your local leaders, country managers, sales managers, and definitely buy-in from the top management. Those would be the tips that I would like to share with you.